Hello everyone, welcome to today's cleaning video. So today I'm going to be taking you through my laundry room and a hallway that's connected to my laundry room. I will not be folding any of my laundry though. Honestly, I hang up most of my clothes and then I don't fold the rest of them. Normally I just put them away or leave them in the baskets. I'm going to be pretty honest with you guys. But anyway, this is a tour of my laundry room. So it's really small, just off the garage, but you know what? It's better than just like a little closet for me. It works. It stores all of our stuff that we need. So it works for me really well. So this is just an overview of what I'm going to be cleaning today for you, and then you'll see it connected to the hallway. Also, you'll see my little cleaning buddy there with us. He'll be joining us for the video today.
A very beautiful lie that I've been told. Yours is the one that I like the most.
So I'm just starting off by wiping down the appliances, so the washer and the dryer, just wiping everything down, getting it clean. Since this is such a small room, there's honestly not too much to clean in here, which is really nice because it makes it super quick and easy to clean. So I'm just starting with wiping those down inside and out, and what's left in the room will be sweeping, mopping, and baseboards. So again, really simple, easy room to clean, which is why it's one of my favorites. Also, if you haven't already and you're new to the channel, make sure to take a second to subscribe, like this video, and check out the channel because I have lots more videos on here. A couple of more cleaning ones, which I will link here down below in the description and at the end of the video. And I also have some exercise videos as well if you're interested in those. So lots of different content on my channel for you to check out today as you're cleaning or just other activities that you want to do.
Yours is the one that I hold so close. Give up the ghost, give up the ghost, give up the ghost. It was just one night, it was just one night. Now I can't get you off of my mind. It was just one time, it was just one time. Even if you will never be mine. Every step I take, everywhere I go, I see your face, unforgettable. Every heart you break, you'll never know. I see your face, unforgettable. Every step I take, everywhere I go.
And I'm also going to take this as an opportunity to tie up that trash on the door since it was pretty full. And then I need to remove anything around that I think will be in my way when I go to clean the baseboards and go to mop and sweep and mop the floors. And our guest star is making an appearance today, so Gus, he was joining me for most of this cleaning today. Also, if you're enjoying seeing Gus, he's in lots of my other videos, so make sure to check those out as well. But he also has his own segment on the channel, Westy Wednesdays. So that's a shorts series on my channel. So if you're interested in more Gus videos and content, make sure to check out Westy Wednesdays, where I post a new Westy short every single Wednesday.
I see your face, unforgettable. Every heart you break, you'll never know. I see your face, unforgettable.
And if you see the light going on and off a couple times, it's just because I was cleaning around the light switch, so I apologize for the bad lighting for a couple seconds. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm just taking my vacuum and I'm vacuuming the room. I don't really like to use a regular broom, so I just vacuum the tile. It's so much easier. So I really prefer to do this over sweeping. And since this room is so tiny, I am done vacuuming. And now I'm starting to mop the room. And this is a pretty high traffic area in my home because it's connected to the garage, and honestly we use the garage way more than the front door to our home. That's how we go in and out mostly. So since this is such a high traffic area, this room did get pretty dirty for the floor in here because we're always taking our shoes in, out and off in here, and so they're usually along here. Sometimes we store them in, or we store them in an ottoman close by that we have. So just a couple different places, but our shoes are definitely tracked in and out of this room quite a lot. Final result of the Swiffer pad. And so this is the final look of this room. So we just made sure to clean everything. It's really important to me to get everything cleaned. If you want to see some type of organizational video where I can go through the cabinets, fold laundry, things like that, and you'd be interested in that content as well, leave me a comment down below and letting me know you want some organizational type video, because I don't do much organization in these videos. It's more so just cleaning. So I'm backing up my camera a little bit, and our guest star is making his appearance in the video. So honestly, the hallway, there's not much to show you in it. It's just the tile and the baseboards, and then once again vacuuming and mopping. So just a small area, but it's really important. I don't want to miss anything when I clean, so I like to clean just room by room. So this was during the time where I was using a sponge originally to clean the baseboards, and then I decided to try a trick that I saw someone else doing, which is using kind of like a microfiber cloth to clean the baseboards. So obviously both these things have to be wet underneath water first, and then I can wipe it down. And ever since I tried the trick with the cloth versus a sponge, I like it a lot better because it just gets deeper into the baseboards. So now I've been using that instead to clean the baseboards. It works a lot better. I will say though, if you do have a manicure on, make sure to wear gloves because scrubbing baseboards is going to chip your nails really easily. And now I'm just grabbing my handy dandy vacuum and getting ready to vacuum this small space. And there's Gus Gus. He's always got to be right in the action. So it's so funny because he wants to be near me and then he wants to be not too close to the vacuum. So if I get too close to him for his comfort with the vacuum, he'll run away. But then he realizes he wants to be close to me. So it's kind of like a battle with him. He wants to be close to me, but not too close to that vacuum. And honestly, I just vacuum until I think it's good. I think I'm done. I probably vacuum over a couple of spots too many times and maybe miss a spot. Honestly, I'm not perfect. I'm not doing it in any particular order. I'm just trying my best to get it as clean as I can. And the next I'm taking my Swiffer mop, and I don't think I changed the mop pad from the last room to this one. I don't change it in every single room. It really just depends how dirty it got, because I like to conserve them as much as possible since they're not the cheapest things, but they do work for us for now. So I haven't found a mop that I like any better. This one's pretty effortless. It's lightweight. So Swiffers are one of my favorite things. The only problem is the batteries die so quickly. I don't know if anyone else's Swiffer does that. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Swiffer and any tricks you might have for those. Also, I am using different liquid than Swiffer liquid. There's a short on my channel if you want to see how to do that, how to replace the Swiffer liquid with just your own cleaning solution, because you can open the bottle. They don't want you to know that, but you actually can. So there's a little trick and tip on my channel on a Swiffer wet jet hack if you want to see that, if you're interested because you have a Swiffer. And that's the end result from the Swiffer pad from both rooms. And this is just the final product. Again, there's not too much to show you just because it's just the floor. I just vacuumed and I mopped and I cleaned the baseboards. So getting ready soon to put those bath mats back in the bathroom, which I cleaned first. And thanks so much for watching today. Make sure to take a second to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.